The table of content which you see under insert is fairly limited. So if you want more option, you can go on to add-on and get add-on for table of content as well. So just like this, I'm on add-on right here and I'm going to type in table of content, just like this, and there's a plugin for it. So you can see right here, there's table of content. I'm just going to install this out right here and continue it out. So I'm just going to install this plugin, give it the permission right here, click on allow, and the table of contents plugin will be installed out on my Google Docs document. So now what I can do is, you can see that table of contents is opened up. In order to access it out, you can go to add-ons and then go to table of content. You can see that table of content is right here. So you can go around into 1, 2, 3 right here. You can change the header format right here or like this. So I'm just going to change this out like that and display until. You can display the level of table of content as well. So let's just say I want to keep it around until 1 right here, and I'm going to go around right here and then refresh it out. So if I were to refresh it, now this is how it actually looks like. You can see right here, there's a table of content. So I'm just going to go around, press enter right here, and then what I can do is I can simply copy and paste this around right here. So just like that, you got the link as well, and just like that, you got the table of content there. You can go around, change the label of content into thread level right there, and just like that, you can see that now there's a different table of content right over here. So you can just paste that out and increase that in size right over here, and that is how you have different table of content format just like that. And that is how you can work around with table of content formatting for Google Docs document with the help of an add-on for more functions. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.